Best compact cars for 2024-2023 Mazda Mazda 3. In the vibrant spectrum of compact cars for 2024, the 2023 Mazda Mazda 3 takes the spotlight, seamlessly combining striking design, precise handling, and cutting-edge technology. Mazda, celebrated for its commitment to creating cars that embody the essence of driving pleasure, introduces the Mazda 3 as a symbol of sophistication and dynamic appeal in the compact car category. 2023 Mazda Mazda 3, elevating driving dynamics. The 2023 Mazda Mazda 3 makes a commanding entrance with an exterior design that effortlessly fuses sleek aesthetics with a touch of athletic elegance. The Mazda 3's signature Kodo design language, sculpted contours, and distinctive grille contribute to its contemporary and distinctive profile. Mazda's meticulous attention to detail extends to the interior, where high-quality materials, minimalist design, and advanced infotainment create an environment that reflects the Mazda 3's commitment to a premium driving experience. Under the hood, the Mazda 3 continues to uphold its reputation for delivering engaging and responsive performance. The Skyactiv G engines provide an ideal balance between efficiency and power, ensuring an exhilarating yet fuel-efficient driving experience. The precision-tuned suspension and dynamic handling make the Mazda 3 an ideal choice for enthusiasts who prioritize driving dynamics without compromising on comfort. Mazda's commitment to delivering an exceptional driving experience is evident in every aspect of the Mazda 3, setting it apart as a benchmark in the compact car segment. Top compact cars of 2024, Mazda 3 captures attention. While the 2023 Mazda Mazda 3 rightfully claims its position as a standout compact car, it competes with other notable models vying for attention in 2024. The Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla, and Volkswagen Golf are among the contenders, each offering their unique blend of style and performance. The Honda Civic, celebrated for its refined design and versatility, remains a formidable competitor in the compact car segment. The Toyota Corolla, with its enduring reputation for reliability and modern design, adds an element of practicality to the competition. The Volkswagen Golf, known for its iconic design and refined performance, contributes to the diversity of choices in this competitive and dynamic category. Consumer preferences and the pursuit of driving pleasure. In an era where consumers seek not just transportation but an immersive driving experience, the 2023 Mazda Mazda 3 aligns seamlessly with evolving preferences. The appeal of a compact car that marries striking design with dynamic performance caters to drivers who desire a sophisticated and exhilarating journey. As consumers increasingly prioritize cars that offer an unparalleled blend of style and driving pleasure, the Mazda 3 emerges as a frontrunner. Mazda's legacy of crafting vehicles that embody the joy of driving ensures that the Mazda 3 remains a compelling choice for those who seek a compact car that defines the essence of contemporary driving excellence. In conclusion, the compact car segment for 2024 promises an infusion of style and performance, and the 2023 Mazda Mazda 3 leads the way. As Mazda continues to redefine the driving experience, the Mazda 3 stands as a symbol of how elegance, innovation, and driving pleasure can seamlessly coalesce, offering drivers a sophisticated yet dynamic driving experience that sets the standard for compact cars.